In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add lower thirds into OBS with a free plugin called Downstream Keyer. Let's get right to it. First, add a source lower third scene. I've already added it here, so I'm just going to click OK. Then we're going to do a plus sign again, add our text. By clicking on text GDI, I'm going to call this lower third. Now I'm just going to make it simple. You can make it simple as well, so you know exactly what's going on here. Then click OK. Now we have the fun creative part. We just type below, which is what you want your text to say. I'm going to go ahead and type live-minded video. We can select the font size. Let's see how small or how big we want it to be. Now I don't want it too small. Let me go ahead and click OK. Well, that didn't work because it's blurry, so let's make it 72. I think the larger the better, that way you can see it. You can also change the font style, regular or bold or italics. I'm just going to keep it normal or regular, that is. Then we go ahead and select our colors. And you want to go ahead and select gradient, which will give it a more crisp look. I'm going to go ahead and select my color here. I'm going to make this yellow, the top part. And if I scroll down, change the bottom to purple. So we have two different colors working together. We have the yellow on top, and we have the purple on the bottom. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Of course, you could still make your adjustments with colors or gradient on and off. It's your preference. You can be very creative here, but I do like the way this looks right now. You can enable or disable anti-aliasing. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down, and I want to have a border or outline around my letters so it'll look more professional. There we go. Once I do that, I'll go ahead and click OK. Great, so let me go ahead and drag the letters down, make a few more adjustments to the size. Okay, it looks great. So then I'll go to Docs, go to Downstream Keyer, and I'm going to add my lower thirds, which I've already done by clicking on the plus sign. If I click the lower thirds, it'll disappear because I have the pause button enabled. So let's go ahead and add transitions. I'm going to add a slide. Okay, so we just add the plus, it's already done. Hit slide. I slowed it down with the duration, so I have it on 1050. That'll make it really slow as it slides across the screen. Perfect. That concludes this quick tutorial on showing you how to add lower thirds into OBS with a free plugin called Downstream Keyer, and I'll see you in the next video.